Hey, what's going on? Quick intro because I always forget to make the intro. In this video, me and Nora are going to be wrapping my cousin's roof on his truck. After that, I know it's kind of random, but I just want to throw it in there. But after that, we're going to be putting the 335i back together, putting the grills in, the fog lights, everything in the rear. After that, we're going to go shoot, have a little night shoot, video shoot, and like photography and just normal pictures. Hopefully, we get a good cinematic from that. I'll put that at the end of the video. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. We're in my computer workshop right now, so I do have a computer channel too if you want to subscribe and see that. But yeah, enjoy the video.
Look at that, Block Squad.
Hey.
What's going on, bro? So what did you do onto this recently?
This?
Yeah.
So I just re-cleared the trunk yesterday. Kinda. I didn't re-clear it.
That's a different trunk, right?
It's the same trunk.
Really?
This is the
It's
same.
like a whole new trunk.
This is the same trunk.
It looks so good.
Yeah.
I like it better from the back angle though.
Yeah.
We'll just stay here.
Don't look right there. Oh, what the f is this, dude? I just wireless washed it
Shit.
last night. There's like rock chips and shit.
But that's
too.
nothing you can do. You have to clear for all this shit.
Yeah, ASAP.
Dude, but the wheel looks sitting a lot better, isn't it?
No, it's the other wheel.
Oh, really?
But yeah,
This looks good.
but yeah, it's a lot better.
Okay, alright. Bro, I missed the blow-up valve. I missed it so much, dude. Bro, you're getting another step.
Yeah,
Holy
that's
shit.
what I'm
This
saying.
thing's tuned, right?
Yeah, it's JB14.
Dude, I never felt this before.
I wonder.
Damn. Do you hear those backfires?
Damn.
No way. Is it okay that I'm driving this way?
I wouldn't go on the street.
God, I don't want to drop these screws. I always lose them. So clean, dude.
For the free.
For the free. Because, dude, like they sell the shells in black on eBay for like $100.
I didn't get to drive the M3 this time either. Maybe next time.
What you doing?
Checking out the tent.
Oh, this is the tent they did. What's going on, guys? Anyways. Imagine. Yeah, guys, he knows I drive manual. I don't need to teach him. But, oh, the door might cheat. Damn, Arab style while you're driving. Yeah, no, it does.
Damn, I need the steering wheel, this interior. Because whoever buys this car, I'll take the steering wheel, take the interior, I'll take the wheels. I'll give you all my old stuff. So this is my cousin's truck. We're gonna do a quick roof wrap on it.
Yeah, there's only 2 screws holding this thing on. On a BMW, to take off the roof liner, take out the screws from the inside of the car. This is gonna be so easy, dude. Let's do it.
So we both forgot heat guns.
I tried looking for mine, and I couldn't find it. You lost it.
I left mine at my friend's house, so
Oh, rip.
Walmart run. Nothing never goes easy. So we got the roof all finished up. Pretty much just gonna button down some things, but
Hey, it's looking good, bro.
it's not clean. We'll wipe it down and then be right back. Look how perfect that is. All the sides, everything's all good. So finally get to put everything back on the 335. Get the grills on. Get the mesh down below, the fog lights, this weather stripping up here, gas cap finally, rear mesh, emblems on the back and the front, and then the trunk lip.
Who's gonna do all this shit? Oh,
so I'm gonna sit back here and check out the new car while he works on all this.
I'm over, dude. He said finally.
So we're gonna start off with the Bluetooth adapter.
Should be just a quick little easy plug and play.
This one I haven't, ignore all the mess. This car still needs to be detailed, but the one I have in here is pretty trash, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this over his neighbor's fence, so maybe
right on.
they get a new Bluetooth adapter that they can struggle with. But yeah, we'll get this plugged in. Don't look in there,
It's disgusting, bro.
Calvin's who I bought the car from. If you're watching this,
you disgust me.
You left me this on purpose. I remember him telling me that he's gonna leave it in there. So
really?
yeah, you're gonna have to come in.
Bro, he gave you like $30 on
this
quarters.
Is like $30, yeah.
But I'm not touching that.
I got some of your vape stuff in here too, so if you want that back.
I can't see the other
you
side.
You gotta go this way, a lot more that way. A little bit more this way. Alright, this is right on there.
This way?
That looks good.
That changes so much, dude.
Uh-huh.
That makes it look like my car. Guys, it's not supposed to look like an M3. Dude, it's literally the exact same spoiler.
This one's hella more aggressive though.
Yeah, I mean, because it has this little thing right
carbon.
here. And it's carbon. But shit. You're just so nice to me, bro. You just complimented me not to make you feel like you gotta... We started at like 4.
No, I got here at like 5:30.
Really?
Yeah, because that guy took forever to find the computer. But yeah, so we started at 5:30. It's 8:30, so it took about 3 hours. That's with a run to Walmart, so that's not
30 minutes,
that's
right?
not too bad. Let me see when I texted you. I texted you pulling up at 5:30, so 30 minutes. For a shoot, so the go-to spot, parking garage is always so we got everything all set up on this parking garage. Got both cars looking real nice. Shooting, busted out the gimbal. Damn, check this thing out. This is crazy. Can't wait to see how this turns out. He's gonna be posting it, getting some crazy shots. Look at this right now. Look at the angle. And they're pretty dark, but I'm gonna edit them. I'm gonna bring the light out in them, make this look really good. This angle though. That shot right there. It's already focused, don't worry, you can't really tell on here, but it's focused. Promise. And that is the end of the video. I forgot to do an outro. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to give a huge shout out to Jonathan for editing this video. He's trying to help me catch up since I'm pretty far behind. And then also all the credit for the cinematic goes to Noor because he made that. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. There's gonna be plenty more content. Like I said, I do have a computer channel, so if you want to check that out, feel free. The link is in the description for both of their channels, Jonathan and Nora's, and also the computer channel. So yeah, thank you.